Welcome. Today we're covering Tesla Supercharging, how to plug in, pay automatically, and monitor your charge. Superchargers are Tesla's high-speed DC fast-charging stations designed exclusively for Tesla vehicles, making long trips easy. As of 2025, there are over 60,000 superchargers in 50-plus countries, supporting up to 250 kilowatt charging speeds on V3 models, and even faster with V4. Begin by locating the Tesla-provided CCS connector that comes included with your vehicle. This proprietary connector features multiple pins for high-speed data and power transfer. Locate the Supercharger's charging port. Tesla Superchargers feature a distinctive design with clear markings for easy identification. Insert the CCS connector into the Supercharger's port. The design ensures proper alignment and a secure mechanical connection. Now connect the other end of the CCS connector to your Tesla's charging port. The port is typically located on the rear quarter panel of the vehicle. Once both ends are connected, the charger automatically recognizes your Tesla vehicle and initiates secure communication through the vehicle's CAN bus system. This authentication ensures compatibility and begins the charging session. The cable management system keeps the cable organized and out of the way, preventing tripping hazards and ensuring a clean charging experience. Always verify that both connections are securely attached before leaving your vehicle. Payment is handled automatically through your Tesla account. Once you plug in, the system detects your car and bills the linked account per kilowatt hour. The charging begins immediately, with costs accumulating based on energy used. Prices typically range from 25s to 50s per kilowatt hours in the US in 2025. To set up automatic payment, you can add your payment method through the Tesla app. Here's how it works. Electricity prices vary by location. This map shows average residential prices across the US, which can influence supercharger costs. The entire process is seamless. No need to swipe cards or handle cash. Your Tesla account takes care of everything automatically. Use the Tesla app or your car's touchscreen to monitor your charging session in real time. You'll see the charge rate, time until full, energy added, and the cost. You can also schedule charging, remotely start or stop, and receive alerts when charging is complete or if any issues arise. Superchargers use direct current or DC to charge your Tesla vehicle. This DC charging method is much faster than the alternating current, or AC, used by home chargers. DC charging can be 10 to 20 times faster than home AC chargers because it delivers power directly to the battery without the need for conversion inside the vehicle. Superchargers bypass the onboard converter, which is normally used in AC charging. This direct energy transfer makes the process much more efficient and quicker. Safety is paramount in Tesla Supercharging. Features like overvoltage protection prevent electrical surges that could damage the battery or vehicle. Thermal management systems keep temperatures in check during fast charging, ensuring the battery stays within safe operating ranges. Some supercharger sites are powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and battery storage. This makes the charging process more sustainable and environmentally friendly. These fundamentals ensure that Tesla Supercharging is not only fast and convenient, but also safe and increasingly sustainable. Tesla's V4 superchargers represent the latest advancement in fast charging technology, delivering up to 350 kilowatts of power. This significant increase from previous versions dramatically reduces charging times, allowing Tesla vehicles to gain substantial range in just minutes. The V4 supercharger design features improved hardware and software integration. This blueprint shows the V4 post with enhanced cable management and power delivery systems, standing at 48 inches to the center of the handle attachment. V4 superchargers integrate seamlessly with Tesla's full self-driving software, enabling truly autonomous charging. The vehicle can navigate to the charger, connect the cable, and manage the entire process without driver intervention, making long trips even more convenient. Looking ahead, Tesla is pushing towards even faster charging speeds beyond 350 kilowatts, with 500 kilowatt systems on the horizon. Sustainability is a key focus, with superchargers increasingly powered by renewable energy sources and integrated with vehicle-to-grid technology. This graph compares charging times between V2 and V3 superchargers, showing the dramatic improvements in speed. As technology advances, we can expect similar leaps forward. Additionally, there's growing potential for interoperability, allowing Tesla vehicles to use charging networks from other manufacturers. To avoid long lines, especially on busy highways, use Tesla's queue system in the app. The app shows real-time availability and lets you reserve your spot. Be aware of dynamic pricing, which can reduce costs during off-peak hours. The app shows pricing graphs throughout the day, helping you choose cheaper times to charge. Remember, free supercharging may be available for new Tesla owners in certain markets. Check your Tesla account for details. Offers like 6 months free can make ownership even more appealing. That's it. Charging your Tesla at a supercharger is simple. Plug in, pay automatically, and monitor your progress. With the expanding supercharger network and advancements in charging technology, keeping your Tesla powered on the road is easier than ever. Thanks for watching.